hyperlinks. Is pseudo class. Pseudo class basically used for hyperlinks, and the symbol is single colon. Symbol is for single colon. Okay, pseudo class is used for hyperlinks. Means why? What is the reason of using this pseudo class for hyperlinks? Means see, when we use the pseudo class, right? Means that hyperlinks. If we go and click on that one, or we just hover our mouse on that one, on that particular link, for that particular hyperlink. Okay, earlier it was in what arrow symbol, right? It's you guys have noticed, right? Once you open, once your mouse move to towards that link, it will be in what arrow symbol. Once it is reaches to that particular hyperlink, it will convert it to what hand symbol, right? Hand symbol, right? Means if you want to highlight, to a hyperlink, if that mouse reaches, if a mouse reach to that particular hyperlink, right, that label or label with you, right, that label should be highlighted. That label should be highlighted. How to do that one? We're going to do that with the help of the pseudo class. Pseudo class basically used for hyperlinks, right? So hyperlinks means will be used like h reference, correct? www.savita.ac.in for with label. Label is SVIT. Once this SVIT is there, like this is a label we have given. Okay, you want to click on this one. Okay, till the mouse reaches here, it will be the arrow symbol, right? It will show arrow symbol. Once it reach onto this label, it will convert it to hand symbol. Okay, you would have noticed hand symbol, right? Once the mouse reach to this label, right? This label should be highlighted. It should be highlighted, right? That is what the pseudo class will do. Pseudo class will going to highlight the particular label. We're going to highlight the particular label. How to do this? Just check here. See. Okay. Before that, we have to give the hyperlinks, right? Before that, we have to give the hyperlink to apply this pseudo class. Pseudo class basically used for hyperlinks only, right? So paragraph, then I will use hyperlink here. For hyperlink, we have to use the anchor tag, href equals http www.saividya.ac.in, right? .ac.in. Then close this. Give the label. Label is SVIT. Then close the anchor tag. Then close the paragraph. Okay, close the anchor tag. Close the paragraph tag. Now I want to apply pseudo class to this hyperlink. How to do? Okay, means you are applying what? Pseudo class on hyperlink. Means you have to we are applying on anchor tag. So a single colon indicating the pseudo class. We are applying pseudo class on this tag, on this selector A. Then using the property that is hover. Okay, close, open this one, and background color should be like orange, right? Close this. Okay, what it will do? Okay, when the mouse reaches to this SVIT label, this SVIT label will be highlighted in orange color. It should be highlighted in orange color, right? Whether it will work or not, let's check. Okay, I'll just close this, save, open, go to selector. Okay, we got this label, right? SVIT. Now we got the hyperlink. See, here it's arrow mark. When it reaches to here, it becomes what? Hand symbol. Hovering, right? It becomes a hand symbol. Now when we touch to that label, it is highlighted with the what orange color, right? So click on this, it will move to the what that particular web page. This is to do this work. We're going to use the selector that is pseudo class selector, right? Pseudo class basically used for hyperlinks. Used for hyperlinks means we are in place of hover, we can use the focus, visited, and link. These are some of the selectors we're going to use in the where in the pseudo class. This is the one basic and widely used selector, pseudo class selector, right? So you just click on this, it will move to the particular web page, right? So this is what the pseudo class is. Pseudo class till here it is in first stage, right? When it's moved to it becomes the hover symbol and that particular label will be highlighted. Okay, we are given once it touch to that particular label, it should highlighted by the orange color. But it is just working. This is what the pseudo class is. Pseudo element, one particular line or a particular letter. This is what pseudo element. Pseudo class we're going to use for hyperlinks. This is regarding the pseudo class and pseudo